In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the Forecast tool on Tradingview. This tool is designed to help you visualize potential price movement by mapping out future scenarios right on your chart. It's perfect for planning trades, communicating ideas, or simply stress testing what might happen next. Start by looking to the left toolbar on your Tradingview chart. Open the Prediction and Measurement Tools menu, and you'll see several options. Long position, short position, position forecast, and sector. Each one serves a slightly different purpose, but the basic workflow is the same. Choose the tool that matches your idea. If you expect price to move up, pick long position. If you expect a decline, choose short position. Position forecast gives you a general scenario outline without tying it to an entry and stop in the same way. Bar pattern and ghost feed help you project or mirror existing price action into the future. And sector allows you to visualize a forward-looking zone on your chart. With your selection made, click once on the chart to set your starting price point. Place it on the candle or level you want to use as your reference. Then, drag your mouse to the right to extend into the future, and click again to set your projected time and target price. As soon as you drop it, you'll see shaded zones on the chart. The green area represents potential reward and the red area marks potential risk. For long positions, green sits above your entry and red below. For short positions, that relationship is reversed. You can fine-tune the projection by dragging the handles on the tool. Adjust the target to reflect where you think price could reasonably go. Move the stop area to reflect your risk tolerance. And extend or shorten the duration to match your time frame. Notice how the risk-to-reward ratio updates as you adjust, giving you an at-a-glance sense of whether the idea is efficient. When using bar pattern, first anchor your selection over a stretch of past candles you want to replicate. Then position the projected pattern ahead to see how a similar move could look. Ghost feed creates a transparent continuation of current price behavior, so you can compare a hypothetical path with what actually unfolds. Remember, this is a visualization aid, not a prediction engine. Use it to plan entries, stops, and targets, and to communicate clearly with yourself or others. Keep your time frame consistent with your strategy, and always validate your scenarios with your other analysis tools. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.